Hello, my name is Ilana Kosenko. I am a polymer clay artist from Latvia, and we also have a supply shop with polymer clay and silicone molds. And one of our clients told us that she wasn't happy to find Pardo clay in one of Amazon shops and needed to return it because it was unable to condition it. So I decided to make a small video how the fresh and good Pardo clay looks like and how you can condition it. In fact, this Pardo clay is not very soft in work, yes, but you need some time to condition it well, and it's more tight while you're working with it. But it's very good clay. It has a natural beeswax inside, so I like this clay. I don't use it very often because it's expensive than the other clays, but this is quite a good one. Here there is a translucent clay series. So you can see here 8 different colors, and I will show how I open them and will condition them a bit. So the first one is pink translucent. It looks like so. I can squish it, but it's not very soft. Yes, it's look like that. I'll take small piece, such one, and now you can see how it looks from the beginning. You can think that it's abnormal that this clay isn't soft, but it's not correct because you need a bit time to condition it. Here it is, 1 minute, and clay looks quite nicer than at the beginning. So this clay is good. We are buying from the supplier, and sometimes the clay may be too tough, yes, and too old, but this depends on how this clay was stored in the store. For example, you don't need to store it in the sun because it can bake already in the package a little, and then you won't be able to use it. So here it is, the first one. It's not very soft, it's tight, yes, but you can work with it. Here it is. From such a small piece you can make, for example, a small flower. I can show it a bit. Yes, one moment. I will create small petals. So this clay holds its shape very well. But yes, you need time to condition it. So I have 4 petals. Yes, I will create a tiny rose out of them. So this is a tiny rose out of Pardo clay. So here it is. This clay is translucent, so it will change its color after baking. It will be darker than now. But so, if you think that this clay is too hard for you, you need a softer one, you can soften it with any special medium. So, to soften clay, you can use special softeners, for example, Magic Mix from Cernit or Sculpey's clay softener. These are quite good. It looks like oil, yes, and you need only a bit of it. This is too much for such a small piece. I have added a bit. Now I will soften this clay more. So it becomes softer. But usually every artist who works with clay prefer harder or softer clay, so you can decide for yourself which condition do you like most. So here you can see it is softer than it was at the beginning. I like both part without softener and with softener. Here it is. So I will open some other packages. This one I will close. So you also can see how it looks usually in the package. This is a normal look for this clay. And here it is, yes. This package also is very convenient. You can place your clay inside and close it. It's very it's very good to store it such way. So now I will try translucent yellow. Here it, you can squish it. If you can squish it this way, this is a good clay. Also it looks like this. I also will take a small piece of it. This is a bit softer than the previous one. Maybe it was manufactured a bit later. Also, the softness of clay depends on the manufacture date. The older is clay, the harder it becomes. Here it is. This one is very good. And the next one will be Lilac Translucent. It also is soft enough. One small piece. How the cut looks like. If you like this video, please give me your heart, you liked this video, because I'm only starting to make videos. I hope my English isn't so bad, so you can understand me. I'm working with clay for about 5 years professionally. I have a workshop where I teach students how to work with clay. Also, we have a store, so I have tried all the clays that are in Europe. I have worked with Ceranite, with Pardo, with Fimo. Also, I worked at the beginning with Scalping. Now I also using it. So my knowledges are quite big about different clays and how they works. This one is also very good. The next one is transparent clay. This one is great, soft. I think it's very soft. For powder, this is quite a nice condition. So the next one will be Aqua Translucent. It's also soft. Small piece of it. I'm taking only the small pieces of clay because these packages are for our clients that bought this clay in our Etsy store. She wanted to be sure that the clay is good, soft, so I'm showing her packages. I hope she will like it. In America it's difficult to find Pardo clay because Pardo isn't very common clay, but though a lot of artists like it. Here it is. Also very good soft clay. The next one, orange translucent. This package has a small sometimes they come in such condition from our suppliers. Also very good clay. And this is the last one, a red translucent. This one is great also for raspberries. It's quite a nice clay after breaking. And this one also is very soft. My conclusion is that from 8 packages, only one is a little harder than the others. The other ones are very soft and I think manufactured just some time ago. Here it is. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for my channel. I hope I will be able to film a lot of more other videos. Bye bye.